say, girl, you better take care. Cause that man is trouble, you best beware. And though deep down I know I might be headed for teardrops, now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No, no. Cause I love you, baby.
Oh my god.
Thanks, honey.
We'll get you through one assignment, I'm sure.
Oh my gosh, you got my favorite, Emily. Oh my gosh, I was gonna go buy these yesterday in the gift shop. Girl, you know me, don't you? Look at me, y'all. I am winning. Winning. This is a win. This is a win. Thank you, friend. Guys, we're having pizza. We have super Hawaii veggie, cheese, Italian sausage. Let's see. We have cookies. Thank you, Ems. Shout out to you, Lainey. Gang, gang, sis. We're having mushroom sausage, mushroom pepperoni. Oh, this is me right here. Bacon with banana peppers. Yes. And double pepperoni. All right. I got to go see if I need to give any lunches first, but thank you, team. You guys love me so much, and I love you right back. Oh.
Where are you? Yeah. She was like, where are you? I didn't cut 5. She says, you're not like that.
Casey really loves me.
Yes, I do. Unbelievable. I'm here. And I'm like, see, I totally had no reason to
I can't let you go, baby. I gotta tell you that I've been looking for love so true. So look at my flowers I just got. Oh my gosh. They're gorgeous. Thank you, Padma and Mandy. And team. The whole team. Oh my gosh. They really love me, y'all, and I love them right back. Oh, this is beautiful. And they got my favorite color.
I know, that's what we were looking for, those purple.
Oh, these people know me. I also got more of my favorite Tootsie Rolls. Thank you, Tamra. They're gonna make me stay here. Oh my God, okay. Okay, y'all. See, they're trying to make me cry on purpose. And it's gonna work. Okay. Okay. I gotta read it. Say yes to life, embrace your passion, explore the possibilities, welcome the adventure. Go for it. You're more brilliant than you know and more amazing than you can see. And the road ahead is filled with more possibilities than you've ever dared to dream. Congratulations. Oh my God, everybody signed it. You guys, thank you so much.
They didn't have a goodbye card downstairs. The best we could find was a congratulations card. Congratulations on your new adventure.
Yes. Oh my God. Emily, don't tell me bye.
Bye for now. For now.
No bye.
Just give it a try. Think that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows.
Duncan would say, sign your crack. He said, signed your crack. Love, Duncan. Oh my God, he's so ridiculous. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. So beautiful.
No tears, Joy.
I know, I'm trying not to. Here's my little locker. 3:15. It's a wrap. Took all my pictures down. It's bare. Wrap. That is definitely a wrap. We're moving on. And this is a shine. A sure sign of us moving on. I'll bathe my lot in case I come back. Bye. Okay, you guys, here's all my bags from my locker. All of my stuff I've accumulated. 20 years is officially a wrap. Lunchbox. All right, time to go home. Start a new journey. Bye, Barnes Hospital. I love you.
You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. You always thought that you were weak, but babe, you're wrong. Yeah, you better step into the light. Just give it a try. Think that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long.